Welcome. I'd like to introduce the ALT-1920 and the harsh environment version, the HLT-1920 from Digital View. These controllers support the three popular video inputs, HDMI, DP and VGA. Panel support is Full HD 8-bit. Panel connectivity is LVDS. It has low signal latency and supports RS-232 function control. These controllers have a footprint of around 95mm or 3 3/4 inches square. Let's take a closer look at the controller's inputs, outputs and settings. P4. This is the DisplayPort 1.2a input. P3. The HDMI 1.3 input. P1 is the ARGB or VGA input. PP2, that's for the power input, 12 or 24 volt. CNC1 is for the OSD control using one of the button board solutions. CNB1 is for the backlight inverter control for power, on, off and brightness. CNA1 is for the auxiliary power output. We have CNB2, which is for the backlight status input. LED1, this is for the external and onboard dual color LED. CN8, this is the connection for serial control. IR1 is for the infrared sensor when using a DV remote control. CN11, this is for the SPDIF audio output. J3 is the LVDS panel interface. J1 is the stereo jack for audio line output. CN14 is the header for the stereo audio line output. CN13 is the header for the stereo audio line input. CN9 is for the external ambient light sensor connection. SW1 and SW2 are for the panel timing and resolution selection. JA3 and JA6 are for panel power voltage selection. JB1, JB2, JB3 and JB7 are all for the control of the backlight settings. JB5 is the backlight control type selection. And finally, JP6 is for the input power control. On the Digital View website, you'll find all our controllers' product pages have a download section. This is for brochures, manuals, 2D, 3D drawings. If you have any questions about these controllers or any of our controllers, please get in touch with your local Digital View office. Thank you for listening.